Hey guys, well that last video was an absolute mess, so this one's going to be a lot more streamlined. I've got a bunch of work on over the next few days, but I'm going to try and get all these new parts in this car and get it close to roadworthy. So we'll do a montage on this thing. I wish I could use the Montage song from Team America, but sadly Universal will pull my YouTube channel if I do that. Anyway, let's montage this puppy up and we'll get all these parts sorted. Sweet, so we've got a couple of parts here we need to put on, and those, and that, and those, and I need that one in there, and that, and these, oh, and that one, and those one. Oh yeah, and that needs to go in there too.
Flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on. Gotta keep the flame on. Gotta keep the flame. Keep the flame. Keep the flame on. Gotta keep the flame on. Flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none of that. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on. Gotta 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 keep the flame. Keep the flame. Keep the flame on.
What a mission, got heaps done today, but now we need to attack this driver's side seatbelt. I'm not the only one driving this car, my beautiful wife is, and I'm not happy with how frayed that is. Also, it doesn't retract, it's crap. So our mate Dan at Import Nation has sent us a new one. It's electronic, it's one of those recoil-y ones, so we need to disconnect the battery, let the capacitors all decapacitate, yep, that's words. Take this cover off and then we can get this puppy out. Let's do it. Okay, stop the montage. We just got a cool delivery from our friends at Oil and Energy. We have got all our fluids for the car. So we've got our transmission fluid, which will also double up as our power steering fluid. We have the GTX1 oil, which is very cool, all Kendall fluids. And we've got our fluid for our diff. So because this car is all drive and automatic, it's got a center diff and a rear diff, which is cool. And they've also given us this really cool little, these are high mileage boosters for older engines like this. So it helps with all the seals and corrosion and rust and all that. And also we've got some Redline brake fluid. So pretty much everything we need to get this car up and running. So continue the montage. Oh yeah, we've also got some new filters, a transmission filter and an engine filter from our good mate Matty Tuckett at Get Parts, who's a legend. He's already supplied us with a fuel filter, so that's already gone in. Anyway, yes, montage. And there you go, guys. That's how we montage getting a car ready for roadworthy. So we pretty much blitzed through all the little bits and a lot of stuff that wasn't roadworthy related, like putting in the reversing camera and the stereo. It's just we wanted something decent in there if it's going to be a daily driver. So now I think we've got everything ready for an actual roadworthy. So that's the next step. Is we've got a friend of ours from the Nugget workshop who is going to do the roadworthy on it. He's legit. He's got all his licenses and he won't let it pass unless it's legit. So hopefully everything's good. And then we can fix our settings. So we're going to go through and obviously all the crappy paint, the door handles and all this grossness. I'm going to take it to my dad's and I'm going to prep a lot of it at my place. And then once it's roadworthy, we'll take it to my dad's and we're going to get the spray guns out and we're going to spray it and see if we can make this thing look half decent. And that's about it, really. We've got a couple other parts coming that lovely people who watch the channel have donated, which is awesome. And we also need, you would have seen, installing the stereo. We're missing this stereo fascia has been cut for the junky one that was in here. So I'm trying to get a standard stereo fascia. I think there's one a pick apart in Ringwood, or Jolly's in Ringwood, so I might have to do a trip over there and go and get it. Other than that, we're about done. So thanks for watching, gang, and check back. We've got a couple other things. I've got a little side project on this, which might interest a lot of you. So check back for that. It'll be a fun one. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.